I'm sure you've watched quite a few videos of how do I treat my acne. But have you ever wondered why do I need to treat my acne? Let's dive deep into what really happens when pimples appear on your skin. Hi, I'm Dr. Kriti Lokia, a certified aesthetic dermatologist, dermatosurgeon, CEO and medical director of Aesthetics Redefined by Kokona. इस दुनिया के 80% of the people suffer from some or the other form of acne. So it is safe to say that pimples common है. सबसे ज्यादा during puberty where the body undergoes a major hormonal locha. But understanding its root cause and what gadbad it does to your skin can make a big difference in how jaldi you manage it. Acne is an issue that originates within the pilosebaceous unit, matlab बाल, and it's accompanying oil producing or sebaceous gland. Normally ये gland produce करता है oil या sebum that travels along the hair shaft to the skin surface and keeps it lubricated. तो problem कहाँ आती है? Problem ये है कि due to certain reasons which we'll get into the next video, sometimes ये जो skin cells हैं around the hair follicles they just don't shed properly and instead वो accumulate हो जाते हैं, clogging the pores and trapping the sebum inside. ये जो oil है, sebum है, it's like burgers and pizzas and Maggi or kurkure, basically your average but chahita junk food. And this bacteria that is naturally present in the skin just like you can't pass up the opportunity of devouring it. मतलब junk food मिला तो सफा चट. Because of this, Mr. Bacteria, specifically Propionobacterium acnes, gets a chance to thrive. और ये Pac-Man नहीं, anti-Pac-Man है, which means the more this bacteria feeds, the more it releases irritable toxins, and the more your skin gets damaged and inflamed. And यही है what you see as pimples. जितना उसने skin को किया angry, उतना बड़ा pimple. Just like gamma rays and the Hulk. And acne की stages होती हैं. Stage 1. Whiteheads, जब pores remain closed and उसमें oil भर जाता है and it forms a small bump. Stage 2, blackheads, which are the evil twins of whiteheads. When they're exposed to air, their contents darken. Stage 3, pustules. Like the Hulk, this evil twin is now getting meaner and badder, and worst of all, he isn't interested in saving your skin from any kind of scarring now. Stage 4 is the worst and the most severe stage of all, cysts or nodulocystic acne. यहाँ multiple pustules cluster होते हैं and they become very big and very inflamed and very deep and very painful and they definitely scar your skin. So why should you treat acne? Formula बहुत simple है. There is no permanent cure for acne because the pilosebaceous glands cannot be made to be extinct. This is not like the bird dodo की overkill किया तो दुनिया से out. Every pimple that comes onto the face will eventually go. But the question is, how much damage is it going to do before it goes? Like that relative of yours who comes over uninvited. If they go before causing any grief, you don't mind them so much. But if they came and they cause damage every time, especially when they've come uninvited, and on top of that, that damage takes forever to fix, and in some cases, not something that you can fix on your own. शायद उसके लिए therapy की भी ज़रूरत पड़े. This is why treating acne is super duper important. The goal of treatment is to prevent and limit the damage that active acne causes. Not because we want the pimple to go, but because we want the pimple to go with the least damaged cause as humanly possible. And on top of that, every time you pop a pimple or ignore it thinking कि हाँ चला जाएगा, remember that a stitch in time saves 9. So don't delay. Act now, act fast. जाओ जाके पूछो अपने dermatologist से, what can I do? Don't let a pimple take away your peace. Let me give you some daily care tips for managing acne. Cleanse your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser. Avoid touching your face all the time. This reduces that Mr. Bacteria from crossing countries, just like we were banned from crossing countries in COVID. Use non-comedogenic products which won't clog your pores. Exfoliate regularly to remove those dead skin cells. By addressing acne at its root cause and following a consistent skincare routine, you can reclaim clearer skin and your confidence. If you found this helpful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe it with others. And don't forget, you can always reclaim your you.